Hi, it's me, for People Brox, the British Tech Guru. This printer has, I put the new main board in and it worked, but then it stopped when it came time to change the filament, and I think the nozzle is clogged. Let me see what I can do. Here we go. This is the nozzle. Let's see. Oh, there we go. Let's get this out. And yes, I'm sweating streams because it's very hot and humid. I'm dripping, actually. Okay, put that on the platter. Let's get this one off. Not screwed in very tight at all. Okay. Okay, got that off. Put that on the platter. Now, will this move? Let's unplug these cables. Come on, cables. Come on, cable. Come on, cable. Trying to lever them. Oh my gosh, the sweat is dripping off me. And you can see the sweat on my hands. Okay, let's try and lever that up. Oh, good Lord. Come on. I know you want to come out of there. Oh. And what you know is pulling the wrong side. Okay. So we've got that off. Oh, let's loosen this and there we go. Right. Now we can see what the problem is. You see, if I don't know if you can see that, I'll try and bring it closer. There we go. Yeah, I think you can probably see it right now. The filament is flush with the end of that white tube, and trying to push it out is not working. I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do with that, so I've ordered a new extruder nozzle, which should be here in a week or two. That was $6. Everything with this printer is replaceable, which is really, really good. I like that. But the problem is I'm having to replace everything. But yeah, that is the problem. The filament is stuck there, and I don't think I have anything that can actually grab it. And I can try to grab it, but oh, almost had it. Yeah, I'm just gonna have to get a new one of these, and then when it gets low on filament, just stop it, wind it back, and pull it out and start again. Anyway, that's another problem with the EasyThreed K9 printer.